Hi, Grant. Thanks for joining me to my very first live podcast from a conference, and especially we are doing it at OWASP AppSec Global Europe in Vienna.
Hi, Vandana. Good to see you here.
Thank you. So, Grant, we know each other for a very, very long time. We have served on the OWASP Global Board together, and we've done these conferences together.
hmm
Now, here I see a lot of vendors, a lot of talks which are spanned around AI. What's your take on AI and especially the way we are expanded, where we are heading?
Well, I mean, a lot of people are worried about AI, right? Either it's going to take their job, or they're worried that it's going to be the big bad thing in the room. I think some people think we're going to end up with Terminator 2 style AI taking over the world, and that may well happen. But for now, it's a really good assistant. Um, I've started using AI a lot in my work. A lot of what I'm doing on a daily basis, I can hand off to AI. It can be quite a useful tool. I think that one thing we need to really focus on is what it means for human beings doing the work. One of the panels I was on earlier today, we talked about what it means to be an AI in that loop and how do we deal with it. And there's a lot of mental health issues around that, concerns, a lot of anxiety, a lot of concern that we have to 100x ourselves. Yeah, that's maybe not the case. And maybe we just need to be a little bit more rational about what we do and what we can expect from people, whether they're using AI or not.
And especially when you talk about people using AI, I know you run a project called Cornucopia.
Yep.
So are you planning to add some AI content to it?
Perfectly slotted up. Yes. If you go across to the stand, if you happen to be here at the conference today, we're currently selling the 25th anniversary decks, which come with the companion cards. And one of the suits of cards for the companion edition is AI. Obviously, using AI to help threat model is great, but also threat modeling what can be done with your AI agents and what they can get up to on their own is probably a good idea as well. Tomorrow, there's a session where we'll be playing with that deck for the first time. So come find us, room 233 at 1:15. We'll be playing for the first time with these decks. So yeah,
Lovely. Thank you so much. Now, Grant, also, I want to know about that. Are you contributing to any OWASP projects, or are you planning to do anything around AI which people can look up to?
absolutely. So take a look at all the work that Rob van der Veer is doing with the OWASP AI Exchange. I am contributing, although not as much time as I'd like to the project as well. I'm working with British government right now with the AI Safety Institute as part of Government Digital Services. So there's a little bit of overlap with work that I do in my day job, but also the RAD-TM, so the Rapid Agile Threat Modeling. We've started talking about how we can get AI involved in that, and we'll be releasing some kind of agent or agentic workflow that will help you do some AI work. So keep a lookout for that. Hopefully, we'll be able to present something of that at Global AppSec in the USA at the end of the year.
Lovely to know that. I also wanted to take your perspective on EU AI Act. I'm very new to it, but people are talking about it at very length. So, what's your perspective on EU AI Act, and what people should definitely know about?
So I guess the key takeaway from the EU AI Act is that there's obviously concerns around the safety around the use of AI, but also there's some concerns around how that AI could be used and how it can affect human beings. So the right of privacy and things like that. So reading it, it's quite a rational document. It should be. Rob, as I mentioned earlier, was very heavily involved in helping to draft some of the legislation that's come out. But I think the key takeaway is that the EU AI Act is just talking about a rational approach to using AI. And some of that is think about the use cases and be aware of what you're going to be using AI for and what the ramifications can be of it. So again, threat modeling, what can happen, what can go wrong with the AI that you're using.
Oh, very interesting. And especially at the conference, what talks would you recommend someone who's around and they should look at?
Oh man, there's so much. I am very happy that we've got Cooper doing all the recording because I'm going to get to go to about a quarter of the talks that I want to. I couldn't get into your talk, for example, because the room was packed solid, and they threw me out because I was speaking before you. But yes, it was there's so much good stuff going on. The good news is everything is being recorded, so we can all watch it later, and there'll be any 5-6 days worth of material to look at.
Thank you so much, and I'm really glad we could connect today and you could share perspective. I am sure we're going to do one-to-one sessions soon for our audience, and we'll invite you for our OWASP AppSec Days India 2026 in November.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you
very
so
much,
much. Thanks, Grant.
Cheers.
Have a good day.
Bye.